Hello there, YouTubers. Blostrious, blastrous, blop blops, floppy flop flops with some blop blops and some smop smops. Ready for another one? I'm not. Are you? Country Ray. Hello's there's YouTube viewers. Blostrious Matthews Jobs here. Blowjob or BJ. Here with another Moonshine flavor shortcut. Today we're going to be making apple pie moonshine. This is a shortcut that I've found. We always look for shortcuts here at Country Rads. We're not trying to do all the cooking and the baking and the everything. We're looking for shortcuts. So because this is a shortcut, what I got me is an apple pie moonshine whiskey spice kit. So this little spice tins I got from the Claws and Hammers, Flammers. And we saw that rolling down the street with a Flammer Hammers. And I picked this tin up. That's what I did. From the clawhammers.com. It's a little tin. It's got the recipes on the back and also the directions on the back. And this is a shortcut that I likes to use. Alright, so we're going to use this claw hammer apple pie moonshine spice. Great spices, cinnamons and cardamoms and all the stimulants and vitamins and bibinims. And apple juice concentrate. So here we go. So we're going to grab our pots. Here we go with our pots right here. And we're going to do 3 full-on apple juice concentrates. This is 100% apple juice concentrates. I'm going to put it in our mixing can here, mixing barrel here, proofing barrel here. And we're going to just do 2 and 3. I'll mix these up. Nice and frozen, floppy ploppy and ploppy bloppy. Isn't that what Joseph's grandfather's name is? Joseph's grandfather's name is Flappy Plappy.
Happy Flappy.
Happy Flappy.
It's supposed to be Pappy Flappy.
Pappy Flappy. Happy Flappy. When we take this treetop frozen apple juice concentrate down into the pot, it sounds like Happy Flappy. Thank you, Happy Flappy. It calls for 4 cans of apple juice concentrate. But what we're going to do is 3 cans of apple juice concentrate and some spring water. That'd be nice if you could fill that up with some spring water there. I'm going to crush this. Yep, I'm going to crush this down here a little bit. Wow, that's cold. Wow, that's fucking cold as shit. Sticky too. So even those, the recipe calls for 4 cans of apple juice concentrate. Marco Bobbies and I figured out that 3 cans of apple juice concentrate and 1 can of good old spring water is a much better mixture. It ain't clawingly sweet. We call it clawing sweet. We don't like things that are clawing sweet or clawingly sweet. We don't like it when it's clawingly. We don't want diabetes.
Quit.
Come on. I'll finish it up. Whoa! Yeah, but you fucked everything up. Now the whole shot's gonna be off now.
I knew where it was lined up. I lined it up.
No, I lined it up.
No, I relined it.
It looks like now the whole video is going to be like filmed at this prospect, and then all of a sudden it's going to be like at this prospect.
No, it's not.
Alright, so now that we've got the apple juice concentrates in there, and the water's in there, we're going to go ahead and throw our apple pie spices in there. This is what we do. We just throws this in there right there. Ooh, nice. Smells like grandma's apple pies. Clawhammer did a really good job in this. You know it's moonshine when you see the triple X. And it calls for 6 cups, but Marco, Bobby, and I like to add 7 cups of that good old moonshine. So we go ahead and pour that in here. Woo! I didn't bring anything to stir, so I guess I gotta use my strong hand. Use my strong hand. Couldn't have anything to stir it, so I gotta use my fucking strong hand. Can you give me a fucking spoon or something? Shit. So now that we got our triple X moonshines mixed up with our frozen apple juice and our water and our spice can from Clawhammer, very, very good spice can. We're just gonna stir this up here. So you want it to sit for about 24 to 48 hours. Depends on how much taste you want. How much apple pie, how much cinnamon. I usually let it sit for about 30 hours. And then I just strains it out and puts it in jars. That's usually how I do it. But we're gonna wrap this up here. Stir it up here. And we'll get back to you when we're ladling it into our jars. Ladling it. Ladle it. Ladling it. So while we're waiting 24 to 48 hours for our apple pie moonshine to steep, I'm going to do something special just for Luby Bliss. I'm going to do a creamsicle moonshine. I got our moonshine, I got our orange sickle, and I got our pint jars over here, right here, right here, right here. This is less of a moonshine flavor and more of a cocktail flavor, but Luby Bliss, you asked for it, I'm going to do it for you. You ready? Let's go. Went down to the local store. I was actually looking for orange sickle from the Jones company, Jones sodas. Couldn't find them. But I found this River City 50/50 orange cream old fashioned handcrafted soda. I like old school handcrafted soda. I'm going to take this triple X moonshine. Beautiful moonshine. Look how clear that is. Look how clear that is. That's a beautiful moonshine there. And I'm actually going to just pour this in this pint jar here. I'm not even going to do 50. I'm only going to do about, let's just say 40%. Let's do a 40-60. Let's do a 40-60 creamsicle. River City creamsicle. I'll stop right there. Let's see how that looks. Let's see how that tastes right there. Wrong cat, motherfucker. Let's taste this right here. Let's get a little snort. Still smells like good old moonshine. It's really good, actually. Really good. Let's just top it off with a little bit more River City 50/50 orange creamsicle. Let's just top it off just a little bit more. There we go. I think that's nice. Let's swirl it up with my strong hand and give a little snort of that. Oh,
This one I
it's like being at the old soda pop factory.
You did mix that with your strong hand.
I did mix that with my strong hand. Hot damn, that's perfectly done. Luby Bliss. It's not orange creamsicle brewed from the pot, but it is an orange creamsicle moonshine cocktail, and it's very tasty. Thank you, So thank you, Luby Bliss, for your contributions and your ideas, because we took the River City 50/50 orange creamsicle and mixed it with our moonshine and made a really, really good cocktail. No, moonshine's been illegal for hell years.
He lost the presidency because the voting system is rigged. Or no,
No,
not rigged.
yeah, okay.
Whatever. You don't drink soda.
I mean, I can't hate. I can't hate.
That face.
Alright, so there was a microphone malfunction here that I was wearing, but basically what I'm doing is I'm going to ladle this apple pie moonshine into this jar. And you're going to see some pretty funny faces from me as I say words like ladling, ladling. And I'm going to stir it up for ladling. Stir it up for a minute, and then I'm going to have a piss poor attempt at ladling this apple pie moonshine in the jar. And as you can see, I spill most of it. But all you have to do is ladle this stuff into your jar better than I do, fill the jar up, and everything's okay. Thanks again for checking out Country Rad. Go ahead and hit that like, thumbs up, skirbidiff, and the schniffnoffs. When you hit the comments, you can put like booga 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 beep beep, and booga beep 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 beep. Boop. Wow, that was like a whole minute and a half of just retardedness. Like, oh, cut.
Oh, wow.
Oh. What? Cut. Thanks again for watching Country Rad, where we make moonshine and moonshine flavors. I got to give a big shout out to Clawhammer for making this apple pie moonshine kit. Got a peach kit. They also have a fireball kit. I've got all three of them. Maybe I'll make a couple videos off that. But what we want to do is we want to thank you from Country Rad for watching our apple pie moonshine. And Luby Bliss, shout out to you. We use the River City 50/50 orange sickle. We used a River City 50/50 orange creamsicle. We basically made it as a cocktail. We didn't distill it. It is orange, but it is a very, very good taste. So thank you for your comments. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your ideas. Here at Country Rad, we want to hear more ideas. What the hell? Is this thing gonna explode?
It will. Keep shaking it.
Well, the River City's put a lot of pressure into this jar right here. It's about to explode. Check us out. Country Rad. We do stuff that's stupid. We do stuff that we like. We can do like funny stuff like this. We can build puzzles. XXX moonshine. Obviously, this is what we do. We just have fun. Thanks for watching Country Rad.